All right, friends, for this video, you need your math notebook, pencil, and your conversion chart. So get that real quick. All right, go ahead and open up to the next clean sheet, which is going to be 124, 125. And what we're going to do is we're going to work on changing time just a little bit more like we were doing yesterday. So 125 is going to be changing time. 124 is going to be change your time because those are going to be ones that you do on your own. So make sure you have both of those written down. All right, at the top, I'm just going to make a real quick note to help me when I'm doing my changing time. If I am going from small to large, what am I doing? Small to large or fly to horse, I'm going to divide, of course. So if I'm going from large to small or horse to fly, I'm going to multiply. I'm going to leave that at the top because as I'm doing that, it's going to help me out. So we're going to do a couple examples together. All right, the first one we're going to do is about how many weeks are in 3 months. So about how many weeks are in 3 months. Now for this one, it doesn't have it on our conversion chart, but if we go over to our next page of 123, your information is going to be on there. So copy that down and then go see which one you think we're going to use. All right, over here on page 123, I had weeks and I had months. So let's go down. Minute, second, no. Hour, minute, no. Day, hour, no. Week, day, no. Month, week, yes. 1 month is about 4 weeks. So I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to write that down. 1 month equals about 4 weeks. So I am looking for about how many weeks are equal to 3 months. That's what my question is asking me, about how many weeks are in 3 months. So if I'm going from months to weeks, is that small to large or large to small? Well, months are my large. Weeks is my small. So if I go from large to small, I'm going to multiply. What am I going to multiply together? I'm going to multiply my 3 months by the about 4 weeks. So 3 months is about how many weeks? I can do my input-output table if I need to. 1 is 4. 2 would be 4 times 2, 8 weeks. 3 would be 3 times 4, 12. So about 12 weeks. All right, make sure you have that copied down and we're going to do another one. All right, my next example. I have been teaching for 312 weeks at Rose Hill. How many years have I been here? So go ahead and pause and copy that down. All right, so now I know what from my problem. I have been teaching for 312 weeks at Rose Hill. Is there anything I need to know from that? I need to know 312 weeks. And I'm just going to abbreviate. Next sentence. How many years have I been here? So I'm looking for what? Years. I'm looking for years. So I want to know 312 weeks equals how many years? So I have weeks and I have years. Which one is large and which one is small? I have weeks years. Weeks is my small. Years is my large. If I go from small to large, what am I going to do? Look up at the top. That's why we wrote it. Small to large, I'm going to divide. So I'm going to write that out to the side because I'm already halfway done. Okay, so I know I'm going to divide. What am I going to divide by? Well, where do I have to look? On my chart. Weeks and years. Let's find which one has weeks and years that's going to help me. Do you see it? Weeks and years. I have 1 year equals 52 weeks. So I'm going to write that down. But remember, I'm going to put the same unit on the same side. So I know 1 year is 52 weeks. So I have my weeks units on this side, my year units on this side. So I know I'm dividing, and I'm dividing by 52. Now remember, if you can't do 312 divided by 52 in your head, because I know that's hard to do, division is also what? We talked about that. Repeated subtraction. So I'm going to come over here to the side, and I'm going to do my repeated subtraction. I want you to do your repeated subtraction, and we're going to check your answer. Okay, so I did 312 minus 52, and the first one I got was 260. Then when I did 260 minus 52, I got 208. When I did 208 minus 52, I got 156. Check and see if that's what you've gotten so far. If not, go ahead and fix it. Then I did 156 minus 52, and I got 104. Then I did 104 minus 52, and I got 52. Then I did 52 minus 52, and I got 0. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count how many times I subtracted 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times I subtracted it. So, how many years have I been working at Rose Hill? 6 years. Make sure you have that copied down, and then I'm going to do some problems on 124. I'm going to write them down so you can copy them and complete them on your own. All right, on page 124, you're going to complete the following. The first one is how many days are in 7 weeks? And go ahead and pause and copy it down. Then the next one is how many seconds are in 2 minutes and 16 seconds? So you're going to have to convert. Pause and copy it down. Then the last one, how many minutes and seconds are in 151 seconds? So you're going to have to convert. So make sure you have all that copied down. When you're done with that, you're going to bring it to the small group table and check it with me. Once you've checked it with me, you will get this sheet right here, elapsed time on a calendar, and you will complete that and then turn it into the math tray. If you have any questions, let me know.